Spring is here, the Cherry Blossom F91. Hey guys, first of all, I just want to say thank you for all of the support you've given me for my first build, the Cherry Blossom Royale. It went semi-viral on Reddit, almost 500 upvotes, with all of these amazing comments. I just love the Casio mod and Casio Royale communities on Reddit. Everyone's super supportive and great vibes only. So I thought I'd make an F91 version. I know some people have smaller wrists, and of course the F91 is an absolute classic. One of my favorite watches of all time, even with the backlight, which I actually modded, but maybe I'll show that in another video. So making this was a similar process to the Royale version. I printed out my background image with the metallic backing, and I placed the image behind the LCD screen so that we could have really good clarity on the digits. So this is what the finished module looks like. As you can see, the numbers are super clear and the background has this really cool metallic effect. Overall, I'm very happy about how this came out. Things went according to plan, and I feel like the possibilities are limitless on the F91, and I'm really excited to experiment and explore more. I also modded the backlight to make it brighter, and I'll post that in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I also wanted to tell you about my website that I just launched. If you have some time, please feel free to take a look. There's some info on there about me, how this whole thing started, and of course, many more watch designs are coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I really do have some exciting projects coming down the pipeline, so I hope you stay tuned and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. Take care.